Is your Samsung battery dying much faster than before? Before you spend money replacing it, use this hidden Samsung test. It takes only 30 seconds and tells you whether your battery is still healthy. Step 1. First, open the Samsung Members app. If you cannot find it, search for Samsung Members in your app drawer. Once the app opens, tap Support at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Now tap Phone Diagnostics. You will see several tests for your Samsung phone. You may see one of three results. Normal means your battery is working properly and is still in good condition. Weak means the battery has started losing capacity. You may notice faster battery drain or shorter screen time. Bad means the battery has significantly deteriorated and may need to be replaced. If your result says weak or bad, back up your important files and contact Samsung support or an authorized repair center. Try this test now and comment your result: normal, weak or bad. Subscribe to Lifefacts Hacks for more hidden Samsung tips.